41. How to be a blessing. One of the most deeply hurt men I have ever met was being comforted at his wife's funeral by some of her close friends. One of the women remarked that his late wife, at one of the last women's meetings she had attended, had remarked that it would be hard to find a better man than her husband. The man checked with others at the meeting. They all confirmed the wife's statement. What hurt and angered the man deeply was this. In all their years of marriage, his wife had complained about one thing or another and always seemed to want more than he was or could provide. She was a good woman, he said, but she never seemed to be entirely happy with me or what I did. If only once she had told me what she had told those women. Paul in Ephesians 5:4 commands Christians to indulge in neither filthiness, nor foolish talking, nor jesting, which are not convenient or not fitting, but rather giving of thanks. The alternative to unclean or foolish language is thankfulness towards both God and man, but thankfulness, which we all appreciate, is what we are too often least ready to give. A pastor who took another church in despair of ever accomplishing anything with an unresponsive congregation found himself flooded with Christmas cards a few months later, all bore notes saying, "We miss your preaching, we miss you," or "We miss your faithful ministry." He wondered if they would be as late in expressing thanks to their new pastor. Scripture requires us to be thankful to God, Philippians 4:6, and to man. A truly thankful person is a blessing. Because he is grateful to God, he is also grateful to every godly person. Thankfulness means a godly contentment and peace. To be a blessing, we must first of all be blessed. A thankful person is.